call a lady from Montego Bay, who me and the ladies like that, and call the lady and said to the lady, go check your profile. Why would you do that? Why the persons didn't do random and send it to everybody, since me not give them no money? Why? So the person texted me and said that they wanted 2,000 US dollar.
Welcome back, viewers and subscribers, to another video on Wull on the channel. You know me, I keep the intro video short, so subscribe if for your first time watching. So yeah, Sha'Carri, Richard said some bops, and after, if you don't know them use that word sputtering, they must say our engine needed a chocolate good, but put that aside. As me she get one of them complimentary stay there at the Tacoma Hotel, guys, and you don't know, it was a good thought, considering if you know, say it was because all of the negativity was surround our loss. The person just didn't want to make it a spiritual healing though. But she make a one post on her snap straight up, say been there and done that though. Look like she not understand that, look like humble somebody all know, guys. So no matter how that a good thing we good in our life in a Jamaican, one thing would be, you know, we pamper people. No matter where you come from in our area, we pamper you could have come from. But even if you call a name, no matter where you come from. Is me. But at least just she love it said way, but we are see what I going for that though. Talking about the said Olympics, don't it? Our boss herself, Elaine. First Elaine, super Elaine herself, sits and not fly private though. Because she touch up on her part, no. Wait, we just are going and watch and see what I go and say because she deserve it though. Want to say, comment down below, you don't know the style go. Cause that video I just want to keep an update though, and watch a period. That brother you get caught with some look of shaky sitting though. They must say, I'm go by the name of Girly in the movie.
What am I? Or who am I? If a person have kids with 4 different women, and all of them are grown adult now, what am I? Who am I? That's behind the point. When Flawless Rain called the young man, they have the conversation on the phone. The young man called me back and he said to me, are you going to still give you the money? I called other colleagues of mine and I have a meeting with them and I showed them the situation. I even went and make a video. Make him stay right where you're at. Because your judgment is coming. Your judgment. Everybody have a past and this is mine. And let me explain. And we decide after I do the video, I decide I'm going to meet up with the young man. And I gave him the $100,000. And upon gave him the $100,000, everything was quashed. More time he would have called me because it's somebody I know. 21 at the time, he turned 22 now. And I would have called him occasionally and we would have been friends. And we talk. And that's said and done. Everything done. My life is going on track. I know who have the pictures because I know who I send them. Things pass, week pass, month pass. I get a call from the young man. And he said, Chucky, I wanted to talk to you. I said, what happened? And something inside of me saying to myself, what is this boy calling my phone for? I don't want to have nothing to do with him. He said to me that he was in the hospital. I said, and what me have to do with it? No, call me. And he said to me that I have no one to call after a person would have helped me to hold back the tears, God, because it don't make no sense. Because right about now, I'm doing this. And I have to do it so people don't hold me and think I'm practicing, I'm walking around doing anything like that. My past is my past. And thank you for all the persons who come out and said, pray for me. Help me if you think that I need it. All right. So up on the young man called me and said, God, why you call me for? But God have a reason. And let me explain to you what was the reason. When he said that he is in the hospital, his foot broke and he don't know what to do. I didn't call nobody. I jumped in my van and I drove to the hospital. I know his first and I know his last name. I went up to the front desk and I said, I'm coming to look for a person. They say, who is this? I said, family friend. They let me in. When I went there, he was in a robe. They cut off his clothes off of him. The same young man. If it's not God, then tell me who it is. The same young man who come up against me. I have to go and aid him. And when I went, he was in a robe, naked. No, nothing on, no underwear. And he said to me that he never knew that I would still come. I said, man, let me tell you something. My heart is good. My heart is fixed. And he said to me that he wanted underwear. And people, I went out and take my money. I buy him underwear because he's going to be there for a little while. I buy him underwear, I buy him toothbrush, I buy toilet paper for him. I buy him a pants, I buy him a shirt. And I buy him some food. And I gave him. Tears was running down his face when he looked at me on that bed. And he said, Lascelles, Chucky, let me tell you something. People who are around you, people that couldn't hold back the tears because I knew I couldn't hold back the tears was coming down when a young man said to me, the woman that you call is your advisor or your manager, she is not good. She is wicked. And I say to him, why? He said, that woman turned to me. He said, why you think I pursue you to get that 100,000 from you? Because the woman pursued me and said to me that the pictures that you have is gold. Yes, everybody from over a page come right here. She said, the woman said that the pictures that you have is gold. Don't trust her. She is wicked. And he mentioned Flawless Rain because that was the only person that he talked to. Upon when the youth get ready to come out of the hospital, he said to me, I am going to show you something. Come with me. I went for him. I pick him up. I buy him the crutch. And I take him to his house. He said, that is my mother. That is my son. I can swear on them life. That what I say to you, it is not lie. Every little, you notice me not cry. Every little occasion he would have called me and asked me for. Remember, you know, he was the one who started all of this. He's the one who screenshot the picture. But I sent it to the wrong person. I trust the wrong person. I trust the wrong person. When I shouldn't, I'm 51. But I still have this mentality. And I'm going to tell you how Vegas get the picture then, and why Vegas get the picture. Now, if this young man is still wanted to block me, he could have done anything. So time passed by, things passed by. I would often give away money because I was getting stars on my Facebook page. I was making money from Facebook. Facebook was paying me enough money for stars. At one time, I collected over 400,000 US dollar off of stars alone. Who do I tell? Flawless. Who know about the star? Flawless. Who know about everything? Flawless. She would have known everything about my star. That's why the person who made me get the star, Flawless, would have texted that person and asked that person many times, how do I do this? How do I do that? Because she wanted to get everything that I got. She wanted it. Times go by. Things pass and days pass and whatnot. Then one day, I got a text. I was doing a devotion one morning and a text come up. They're afraid to mention that. A text come up on my phone. I don't want nobody call me or text me and tell me if it tap, you know. Me not tap. There's a voice note I'm going to play. A 2 voice note me play. 2. And upon when that text message was going around, the text in, somebody make a fake profile and send a text message around. All of the picture that I took, that the person screenshot, went to every one of my closest ally. Who would have known all of my closest friend? Flawless. Who would have known the person who wouldn't bash me or wouldn't put me out there? Flawless. Every one of my closest ally got the picture and they call me and they tell me and they say, Lascelles, this don't look good. And they are constant. It's not a secret they're holding for me. It's some picture. And how can a person make a fake profile? And Flawless would have called one of my colleagues and say, go check your inbox if that fake profile didn't come from her. And tell the person said the fake profile was made in England. How did you know that? When you call a lady from Montego Bay, Umi and the ladies like that, and call the lady and said to the lady, go check your profile. Why would you do that? Why the persons didn't do random and send it to everybody, since me not give them no money? Why? So the person texted me and said that they wanted $200,000 US dollar.